I can hear you. It's okay.
Okay, it's okay now. So, uh,
So,
can you tell?
uh,
Can
are you from
can
India, right?
exactly? I'm from India.
So, how old are you?
Oh, I'm 26 years old.
26?
Yes, 26.
Oh, you're 10 years older than me.
Okay,
Everyone
okay.
I met is 26 or maybe 10 or 20 years older than me. I don't know why is this happening.
Okay, okay. It
Sometimes
doesn't actually it
it doesn't
doesn't matter.
matter.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but actually, like me, I'm learning this skill. So that's also the reason I'm here to talk all over the world, people. So today I found
Mhm,
you. So it's my pleasure moment to see you in this uh, place. That
mhm,
it is really fortunate. It's really fortunate for me that I'm talking with Iran.
mhm. It's my pleasure too that I'm talking with Indian people and like to know about their cultures because they were close to
Yes,
their history is close to Iran, actually.
yeah, exactly. So, as you told me that you are in 10th standard, am I correct?
Uh, yeah, 10th standard, yeah, 10th grade.
Yeah. So you right, you are not visible properly. Am I correct?
What do you mean about?
No, no,
Can you
no.
repeat that?
Actually, I am telling you that you are. It's telling really bad. I'm feeling that you are blind.
Yeah, yeah, I'm blind.
Okay, sir. It's no issue. But after that, I feel happy that you also learning this skill because you have maybe another language in your country.
Yeah, our mother tongue language is Persian, and
Okay,
we have a and every part of Iran has its own local language.
okay, yes, absolutely. Here, yes, in India also lots of native language like Bengali, Hindi, English, lots of language available. But my
Yeah,
native language is Bengali. But I also want to learn like you in English language.
yeah. It's good to learn English language because it's a national language all over the world. When you want to talk, you talk in English, and
Yeah.
well, you speak your mind. Out of it. You put your mind, for example, on English, and everyone can understand you.
Yes, exactly, exactly. So brother, why it's your need? What is your need to learn the skill?
Mhm. You mean why am I learning English?
Yeah,
So,
ex exactly.
because I need to get out of Iran. I don't have the opportunity to do some to do many things in Iran.
Okay, okay, okay. That's
I
good. That's
really need that.
yeah, yeah, yeah. I can see you're passionate about it. I can see your feelings. So you are how long have you been learning this skill?
Uh, I've I've been learning this for 3 or 4 years now.
Okay, okay, okay. Then you are advanced level student in
Mm,
English.
intermediate, better say, upper intermediate.
Okay, okay, okay. So in a day, daily, are you practicing every single day?
Uh, can you can you explain what do you mean? I didn't catch
Actually,
that.
in a day, how many hours you are practicing?
How many how many hours I'm practicing for English.
Yes, yes.
Actually, it's not a matter of time, it
Okay.
doesn't have to do with time. I speak English all over. When I'm at home, when I'm
Mm-hmm.
by myself, when I'm playing, for example,
Okay.
playing when I'm.
Then your classmate, your parents also speak with you in English
No,
language.
no. Actually, I'm not speaking English language in school because I'm not in school. School is, and we are in Iran. We are in our summer and it's holidays for three
Okay.
months.
Okay.
So we are not speaking. I'm not speaking to my other classmates.
Okay. But your talking style, your ability of spoken English purpose, it's really fabulous.
Thanks.
Yeah, this is true. This is really true. That's why I'm telling you. So I also, want to speak as a good communicator. So that's also the reason I'm practicing every single day.
Yeah, it's okay. You can, when you want to, for example, speak or write or read like a native speaker or listen like a native speaker,
Hmm.
you should look at English like your mother tongue language.
Okay.
You
Okay.
should look at learning English like when you're learning your mother tongue language.
Hmm.
When you, for example, were a child, when you were a kid, and when you were a little cute boy or girl,
Yes. Yes.
example,
Hmm.
you don't they didn't, for example, your mother and father didn't speak out,
Hmm.
for example, didn't spell out the, for example, words, and they were talking normally, and
Yes.
you for example learned
Hmm.
in 2 years how
Hmm.
to make sounds, and then in 4 years you learned how to speak, how
Okay.
to walk, how to run, how to do everything.
Yes. Yes. Exactly. Exactly. So, what is your upcoming future plan?
Well, actually, my upcoming future plan is I'm going to be get out of Iran, and I'm going
Okay. Okay.
going to
But
be good, you know. I'm going to be get out of Iran in 7 or 8 years later, and because I'm playing instruments and learning music, I want to go to conservatory in England or America,
okay.
United States. I mean,
So, yes, it's good to see you. That on that time, upcoming days, I can't see you. I will see you or not. But now I can see you in this look.
yeah. Actually, we are in
Yes.
a social media
Yeah.
environment.
Yes. Absolutely. Absolutely. So, uh, do you share me something about how to practice, how to get confident in English language?
You know, exactly. That's the part that all people are asking about me. I don't
Yes.
know what I've done. It sounds weird, but I don't know what I've done to improve my English. But
Okay.
I really think that when you need English, you do everything to improve it. When you need English, you do everything to improve it.
Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. So, you also be, practicing in grammar portion.
Yeah, I'm practicing grammar too.
Okay, okay, okay. So good, really neat for us because suppose we are
Hmm.
not learning in grammar portion, then it's not properly speakable everywhere because we made lots of mistakes while speaking. So we also need to learn about grammar. That's also true.
Yeah, actually, you know, when you take you have to learn grammar, for example, in a way when you, for example, speak.
Yeah.
When you speak to someone, he or
Mm-hmm.
she can correct you. Some if he or she
Mm-hmm.
knows the grammar that you have to use, she or she can correct you,
Yes, yes, exactly.
and you will learn it faster than ever. You
Yes,
know,
yeah. So,
because you're
okay, okay, tell
mhm,
me.
you're continuing because you want to learn it. You want to speak it out and everything. You will
Yes,
remember it forever.
yes, exactly, exactly. So, by the way, what is the atmosphere over there where you were living?
Weather, you mean what is the weather? It's sunny, it's night and it's
Mm-hmm.
sunny,
Okay,
just
okay.
sunny. It's not raining a lot, but I think in wait a moment, I see.
Okay,
In July we had a lot of rain here,
okay,
but
yes,
nowadays it's actually don't doesn't rain.